Hey guys, what's good? I am out on location, working down here in Oakhurst, California this week. So saw some waterfalls on the Google Maps, some other cool spots to go check out. So I am out here with the new build, with the Quadmula 2.5 running 4S on it, a mini stack, all the good stuff. I'll show it to you guys here in a second. Yeah, it's pretty dope up here. There's another area back up here. I'm probably gonna fly these two spots. I brought the Quadmula and I brought my Phantom, and I am out here getting attacked for the video. So leave a like, subscribe, and I'm gonna be right back at you with the drone and a flight. So the new build. Quadmula 2.5. I got the Axis 4500 kV motors. I've got a SpeedyBee F4, I think F4 stack. I think it might be Bluetooth as well, but I'm not 100%. I haven't messed with Bluetooth. I have a naked air unit back here. I went ahead and grabbed a new camera. I was having some issues with one of my other cameras, so I got this one just to make sure I had a backup if necessary. So it's awesome. Just to have some spares. And then I'm running the 5-blade props that I run on all my 2.5s and my center whoops. I'm rocking the Radio Master. Radio Master is in there tucked away. You can't even really see it. Radio Master RP1 Mini ELRS. And for the battery, I think this is a Redline 854S. I put it up and did one flight earlier. I got all the tuning into it and messed with the PIDs and everything. Got the build done like yesterday, and I actually forgot the connector that connects the two boards, the two flight controller boards. But luckily, it's the same one that they use on all my other stacks for my 6S and my other 4S Moxie. So I was able to dome the one out of my Moxie for it, and then I got my antenna back here for now. I think I might be able to squeeze it down in here, squeeze it up in there a little bit better, just to get the wire away from the elements. It doesn't really hit the ground. The clearance is pretty good. So, but yeah, let me get this thing powered up and we'll go for a flight. So we landed safely. Lots of obstacles over here, but beautiful. I'm gonna definitely be able to clip up a little flight. I'll go and find another spot after I get out of here to do a actual full length flight to see what the battery life looks like and to get a little bit more freestyle action. I'm a little timid here with all the obstacles and things, you know. I don't want to have to try to climb down some stuff again like I did in San Francisco. Kind of want to not have to do that. But the area is super dope. I'm out here getting eat up though. I'm getting ate up. This bugs is everywhere. All right, let me get to this other spot. Got another battery ready to go. We'll get one more flight in before I get out of here. Because like I said, I'm tired of getting ate up. So I'll see you in a second. So we made it out of that area successfully. I didn't have to go for any extra hikes. Yeah. So I found this little lot, empty lot here on the way to go get dinner. And I'm going to play with it for a battery. And so you guys can see takeoff. Get the remote. Shoot it up. All right. Let's explore here. Still got to mess with the PIDs a little bit more because I get some jitter when I'm like low throttle trying to come down off of some stuff. So She's got real good punch on this one with the 850. I can actually tilt the lens on this one as well. Has a wider footprint. As you guys are noticing, no props in view. That's probably one of the best parts. No props in view. So that was the main reason behind getting this one. I'm still gonna fly the crap out of my Phantom because it doesn't use the same battery. So I can take both of these 2.5s out and do 2 completely different styles of flying. I'll be able to do a lot of cruising with this one, riding the wave. And we're at 3.75 on my Purcell. I go down to about 3.50. Super flicky, super responsive. I'm loving it, honestly. Like I say, I'm loving it about every one of my drones that I fly, that I build, or that I get. It's because they're all unique in their own special way. And this is just a step up. It feels like a mini, like 3.5 inch. Feels like a mini 5 inch. See that jitter right there? Y'all saw that? I am not going nowhere near that. I am not about to find out where that hole goes. Not today. So we're down at about 3.65 on average. I feel like I could crank this camera angle and keep up with some of these cars. So yeah, keep up with the cars. After doing that, I'm at 3.6 on the cruising, 3.57 on the power side of it. Some power. Low battery flashing, we're at 3.59, so actually I could probably just coast around here a little bit more. Now it's continuously flashing. I'm at 350. See if we can land it without knocking the phone over. So, man, let me just tell you, I like this thing. This thing is dope. Came in the coolest container. It was super easy to put together. Nice, tight, compact, sturdy. Arms are detachable, unlike the other frame. So crack a frame, crack an arm, you can replace all that stuff. Everything fit in there really good. I still have a good amount of room in there. I kind of crammed the XLRS up front. I kind of crammed that in there, but it kind of wanted to just sit up front. There's enough room for it. So, man, I'm loving this thing, Quadmula, son. They are not sponsoring this video, but I'm digging them. So I might need to try to find some different printouts on the arms, the arm protectors, just because I do like the brighter colors, as you guys can see by my tapes and things that I like to use on my builds. So yeah, I want to keep flying this thing while I'm up here this week. I'll probably find some more spots while I'm out in the field working. If I do, I'm going to fly them. I'm going to show you guys. So make sure you follow my Instagram page, Night Flights, nights_flights. Like that, subscribe that, all that stuff here too, man. Like every little bit helps. Yeah, if you guys like the flights, make sure you check out my other videos that don't have me in there talking and yammering. They are on my page, man. Give those a watch and enjoy those flights as well. And I'm going to get back at you guys here with quickness. Peace.